Friends, today we are see what is series connection. This is a required component for series connection. This is a battery with cap. This is a breadboard. This is a jumper wire. This is a resistor, and these are three LEDs. First of all, we are connect one LED on breadboard. You can see here the LED has two terminals, one positive and one negative. How you understand which leg is a long, that is called positive, and which leg is short, that is called negative. So we are connect on breadboard the two different places. Okay, after that we are connect another, take another LED, which leg is a long, that is a positive, which leg is a short, that is a negative. In a series connection you can see here, first LED is negative terminal connect with this another, second LED is positive terminal. Okay, same row. And after that you can see here, this is a third LED. Third LED also has two legs, one positive and one negative. Same like that we are connecting two LEDs, same like this one LED is also connect on breadboard. First of all, we are connect the negative terminal of second LED to the positive terminal of third LED. You can see here, okay, and negative terminal of another LED, that is placed different path, different row. Okay, now you can see here, first LED is positive and second LED is negative. Connect first LED is negative, connect with the second LED is positive in the same row, and second LED is negative, connect with the third LED is positive in the same row. You can see here, now we are connect one resistor between the positive terminal of first LED and another roll on the breadboard. Okay, now you can see here, this is a red color jumper wire which is complete the positive side on breadboard, which is connect same row in the resistor second terminal and positive rail of breadboard. Okay, after that we are connect, this is a black gray wire jumper wire which is connect the negative roll and negative terminal of third one LED and connect with the negative terminal of breadboard. Okay, now we are connect this to jumper wires. Okay, so now this is a battery cap with attached with the battery. This is also two terminals, one positive and negative, which is a red color, that is called positive, and which is black color, that is called negative. So you can see here, we are connect the positive terminal of battery on positive rail on breadboard and negative terminal of battery which is connect on negative rail on breadboard. Now you can see here, our three LEDs are blink in series. Thank you, friend.